Okay, so I'm gonna film in this funny spot. This is the Macau Roosevelt, which is probably just saw me do a video from there. This is the subway right here that's gonna be going across. I think the station's gonna be down there. There's all these condos down here. Over here, there's a Galaxy Casino. These buildings over here are Zhuhai, China. And then you have kind of these beautiful housing things that are up on the hills. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you a little park. And there's also this little tunnel here that you can go under the hill if you're in a car. And but the one that's interesting to me is the one that you're gonna see in a second, which is this. Let's go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. And let me get into it so you can see what it looks like. Yeah, this whole thing looks like it's been here a long time. So you got this little police guy, I guess. There's a hut. Mailbox. And here we are. So here we have some cannons, we have some kind of cool stuff. I think I'm just gonna do a quick browse and I'll create a whole other video. So I think what I'll do. But yeah, we have some cannons here. So these have been here for who knows how long. Pont di Taipa. I think Pont is like where the ships came in, boats came in. I don't know what to call this video though, because I want to do a different video. There's a police station right here. We'll just kind of look over it and then I'm gonna do a separate video. But you can see this little park, and then there's Pont de Taipa, and I think like Pont 16. There's a bunch of like docks where boats come in to Macau, and I think we're just gonna walk through here a little bit. It's beautiful. I'll just try to catch the periphery part of it. And then since I started in a funny place, there's a public bathroom right there. Cool. Look at that apartment. It's really old style. Okay, we're gonna pause. But I'll definitely do another video with more detail after I use this bathroom over here.
Chiquinha, Chiquinha, toma cuidado da bovidinha.